All right, we're here in Brickell. This is Miami's concrete jungle. So come out and check out our project for Piola. We brought the jungle to the jungle of concrete. So come and check out this beautiful green wall in the middle of the smacking city of Brickell. Hello everybody, welcome to our latest installation. This is for a restaurant located in the heart of Brickell, Piola. It's a pizza joint. We highly recommend to everybody. This is an outdoor space. So a lot of hoteliers and restaurant owners come to us and say, I would like to renew and update and upgrade my surrounding areas, my outdoors. Especially right now that we're getting closer to high season in Miami. So what we recommend is doing a beautiful green wall like we did here. What we do typically for customers like this is that we connect with you. We make sure that everything that all the feedback that you're giving us is exactly what we come through and what we do for you. So in this particular case, of course, we are in the shade. It's a lovely environment. You get to have your pizza surrounded by plants, nature, and that's really the vibe that we want to give to all of the customers that come here. The specimens that we're going to provide for this green wall is going to be all plants for the shade. So they do really well over time. Our system is super simple and very easy to maintain. So what we have here is a combination of plants, right? So we have what famously people know as the spider plant. We have the anthurium, we have the china doll, we have the Dieffenbachia, which is really famous for interior AC places, right? So we're inside. We have also the star horn, and we have a collection of different calatheas with different variegations. What we wanted was not just green, but different shades of green and a splash of color to make sure everything came alive, and it really represented this brand. Green wall comes to be not just part of the ambience of the space, but also speak volumes to the brand and the values of the brand and what they stand for. We're very happy with the results here, and to see people really come together in this space is really what makes us really realize, okay, this is awesome. Just come and check them out, check Piola, check our green wall installation here. We'll see you until the next video. Thank you so much for checking us out, following us, and supporting us on all social media. Thank you.